That's why they call ratels the most fearless animal in the whole world. Honey badger, very strong and stubborn. Watch and subscribe.
Honey badgers have evolved with a thick, loose, rubbery skin, and this is one of the main reasons why these animals are so fearless and very brave. But what does this even mean? The skin of honey badgers are about 6 millimeters thick, and for comparison, the skin of humans, a predator can actually bite them in the neck and they will just twist their neck, and the predator will end up biting only the skin and they will twist their neck and bite back this predator. So biting them is actually very risky because you might end up holding just the skin and then they will turn back and bite you. Skin is also rubbery. What it means is, let's say you're biting on this skin, it doesn't look like when you're biting a normal skin. It looks like when you're biting on a rubber. So sometimes you might actually bite it and your teeth will not even penetrate. So you end up just biting at the layer and it doesn't penetrate. This rubbery skin that is very thick and also very loose help them to overcome some things like bites, claws, and even stings. And this is the main reason why they will attack bees to take their honey, and then bees will continue to use their teeth to pierce through the shells of tortoise. These are all the advantages that honey badgers have. Imagine a small animal whereby larger predators will want to bite it in the neck and kill it off. But when they bite it in the neck, this animal will twist their neck and this predator will end up biting only a rubbery thick skin. And when they twist their neck, they will turn and use the predators might just be like, oh more, this is not worth it. What is the need of killing this thing after fighting for 2 hours with so much wound all over your face? They will just avoid fighting.